So, what if you could build one simple AI system, learn it once, then adapt it to multiple local businesses? This is what makes this model interesting. And it's beginner friendly. You don't need those marketing skills, tech skills. You are not creating completely new businesses from scratch every single time. You're building a repeatable framework. A dentist needs faster leads follow up. A roofer needs faster estimate requests. A med spa needs more appointments booked, consultations, etc. A chiropractor needs new patients. A real estate agent needs to help respond to a buyer and seller leads. Different industries, same basic problems. Missed calls, follow up. That's what they're trying to do. They need to respond faster and book more appointments. That's the bottom line. I've been doing this for over 20 years. And so I didn't go to school for marketing. I didn't get a college degree. I didn't hardly finish high school. So my name is Jim Paar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to package this simple AI system for local businesses in a way that is easy to understand and easier to sell. This is not about impressing business owners with fancy AI language because they're going to run. In fact, that usually confuses them. They want to keep it simple. You say, when someone calls and you miss it, this system follows up. When someone fills out a form and the system responds right away. When somebody wants an appointment, the system helps them send them to the calendar to book that appointment. When a lead goes quiet, the system keeps following up. It's that simple. That is clear. And that solves real problems. Now, I'm not saying that this is effortless. You still need to learn it, test it, outreach, and improve. Your results depend on your actions. But what if a beginner-friendly way to use this AI in the real world? And this is a great place to start. So before we dive in, just do me a favor, hit that like button, share the video, drop a comment below. I'll send you my private free blueprint, step-by-step process. But let's dive in and show you exactly how this works and break it down. Okay, here's how simple it is. We're in our high level, which we white label as Sproutify. You're welcome to check out sproutify.io and get our version of this here if you want, but we'll have a link. Like I said, drop a comment. We'll get you that link for the software for a 30-day extended trial. So all you do is go to sites here and you just click on up here in the top, just chat widget. And then you go to new widget and you're going to click on voice AI. You can see all the different ones that we have here. And then we go to styles. We probably want to name this, we'll call it dental widget or voice AI widget or something like that. Anyways, it doesn't matter. You can just leave it, but you can do your chat prompt here. You can customize this any way you want. So we're going to go ahead and put our own phone icon in here. So we've got what they call a GIF, so it's flashing, so it gets people attention. And you can see it right in the bottom right. As we build this, it'll start building out. And then we can select a color. We can customize the color. It's that easy. And then, hey there, talk to us now in real time. So we could say something like that, or talk to somebody right now. We're standing by, or something like that. However you want to do it, ask ChatGPT. You can customize this now. So you can select your voice avatar. You can upload your own picture if you want. I'm going to select one with this guy here. And then alt text is just for SEO, but it really doesn't matter. Here's the cool feature. You can stick this up in the top right, so it's going to show up on your website right there, big and proud, which I love that because this is unlike anybody that is out there. They do not have this type of deal. So then we go to the chat widget. So AJ Plumbing AI Assistant. It must have picked up on something because I didn't even name it. And then talk to us now. And then I would say real person waiting, something like that. You want them to know that this, hey, we've got a guy, and you could say click microphone below or something. That says call us now. I would say click to talk with live agent or representative, something like that. So additionals, we can leave that out. You can just shut this off. So if you're using our software, it won't say powered by High Level or Sproutify. That's our website right there. And then basically we're just going to go into messaging and we're going to keep it at the US. And then we want to go in and select an agent here. So that's our next step. So we have some agents already in here. We actually have another video. Just check our channel out on building your voice AI agent. But you just go in here. Once it's built, you're going to select one. We're going to grab Shelly. And then I'm going to do Mike Post just because we've got a guy here. And then we're just basically going to save this. And then we're going to grab our code here and get our code. We're going to copy this right here. And then we're going to go over to our website and paste it in. So we're using a high-level website, and I'll show you how to do that. Otherwise, you just post this into the footer or the header of any website. It could be a realtor website, whatever it is. So we'll go into websites here. We'll select website. And then we're just going to select one of our websites here. Let's just select this marketing website here. These are just a bunch of demos that we have. And then we're going to go into settings here, and we're going to put this into the header tracking code here. And then we're going to save this right down here on the bottom right. And then we'll go over to the website and we'll give it a test. Okay, one quick thing we need to do is under chat widget here where we pasted that code in, we need to select, we called our widget dental. So we're all over the board. We got a dental name on our chat widget. We got a marketing agency, but it doesn't matter. Just understand we're just doing this for demo. It's all the same. So we're going to click save. And then once we have that saved, we're going to go into the website and test it. So let's go into the website. You can see it right here, proud and real. I love how this shows up at the very top because the top right is where people's eyes go to. That's why you always put contact us, like this one, book a consultation. It's always in the top right. So we just click on this and we click to talk to a live agent and allow this.
Hey, you have reached Post & Company. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was wondering if we could set up an appointment with Mike.
Sure, let me check what's available for appointments with Mike. It looks like there aren't any available appointment slots with Mike in the next week. Is there a specific date or time you had in mind? I can check for other options if you'd like.
Yeah, can you just have him call me back at a particular phone number?
Absolutely. I can arrange for Mike to give you a call back. Could you please provide the best phone number for him to reach you?
So that's how cool it is. We didn't have the schedule set up for Mike. That's why I didn't say anything was available for the next week. But you can see how it's fluently just flowing and there's no friction to it. It's not filling out a form and it's in real time. So it's almost like you're speaking to a real agent. And you could just put Bob here or whatever. It doesn't have to say AI. You can put it to whatever you want. Let's be real for a second. This is not just a feature. It is a subscription machine waiting to be turned on. You can install this for a client, charge a simple one-time setup fee of $9.97, $14.97, whatever the niche supports. Those are good numbers. And then you build $2.97, $3.97, $4.97 per month to maintain and host their voice agent. So minutes of installation, months of revenue. So this could be a side hustle that you're starting, or it could be a new passive income. This is the same pattern we saw when websites became mandatory, live chat exploded, review automation became non-negotiable. And so that's why we see this just booming. SMS marketing took over recently, and now it's AI. So the people who moved first created entire businesses off those waves. We're standing in the same moment again, except now it's voice AI. So the market is wide open. So most businesses do not know this even exists yet, but soon, 6 to 12 months from now, every agency will be selling it, every business will have it, every consultant will be pitching it, and every business owner will be wanting to buy it. So the earlier you get in, you can try to catch up later after the money's already been claimed, or this AI gold rush and the voice AI widget is a tool in your hand right now that is just crazy. So cheesy, maybe, true, absolutely. So are you ready to jump in? Here's what to do. Hit that link in the description. You'll get a free 30-day extended trial to High Level through my affiliate link. Most people are offering 14 days, even High Level only offers 14 days. My complete voice AI snapshot will be pre-built scripts, templates, automations. You can access my community that we're launching this month, and we'll go through walkthroughs, client strategies, and everything. So set up your first voice AI agent today. Show it to a local business this week. Watch their reaction. I'll tell you everything you need to know about this opportunity, because once they hear their website can actually talk, they instantly get it. This is a new frontier website's engagements. And so you get to be one of those bringing it to the marketplace. So deliver it clean, confident, and premium. So that's High Level new voice AI widget. It's fast, it's simple, and in my opinion, it's one of the smartest innovations the platform has ever released, and will be so easy for me to sell. So if this helps, smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, because I'm dropping more high-level tutorials, AI automation strategies. We have a community. So thanks for hanging out with me. Now go transform some dead websites and make them into talking machines, and I'll see you on the next one.